one thing I learned is don't put yourself into a limit, because geotechnical engineering is something it's difficult to foresee, or it's difficult to predict.
Exactly.
It's not like 1 + 1 = 2.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
exactly.
not that straightforward.
Yes.
We want to
Yes,
save
yes.
money. I mean, we help the client to save costs. Very typical challenge is I call it indifference.
Indifference.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I come over and I want to introduce a solution to a client, and when you look at his face, it's like just okay. I enjoy this session. Very good experience for me.
So happy. Halo Sobat Multibangun, apa kabar? Bertemu kembali dengan Dwi di Multitalk, di mana kita ngobrol dengan akademisi, praktisi, dan konten kreator yang akan membahas tentang dunia teknik sipil, konstruksi, geoteknik, dan geosintetik. Sobat Multibangun, selamat tahun baru di 2026. Ini merupakan podcast pertama kita di Multitalk. Senang sekali rasanya Dwi dapat hadir kembali untuk sharing nih. Pada hari ini kita sudah datang tamu yang sangat spesial dan istimewa. Beliau merupakan perwakilan dari Tensar International Limited, seorang design and manager sekaligus juga team lead dari East Asia Tensar International Limited, Insinyur Joe. Luar biasa. Halo Joe.
Hi everybody. Hi Dri.
Yes, hello. Thank you
Yeah.
for being willing to the guest speaker on Multitalk nih. Our first podcast in 2026, Joe.
Yeah.
Yes, this podcast is special since we have you as a guest, and then Pak Joe as a team lead and design manager at East Asia of Tensar International Limited, right?
Yep.
It's such an honor, Joe. Thank you very much. And then, yes.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I did a lot of presentations, webinar, but podcast is something. It's something new for me.
Something new for you?
Yeah. I do have some experience. In fact, it's only one experience. Yeah, not in this setup. This is
Not
a
in
very
this
nice
setup. How do you think our
It's
Multitalk
very nice.
setup?
Yeah, very professional.
Thank you, Joe.
Yeah, the one I did was. But yeah.
So you're kind of excited today, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It's happy to be here again.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. So, Sobat Multibangun, kita akan banyak ngobrol nih tentang perjalanan karirnya Pak Joe, dari bagaimana beliau dari awal lulus sampai dengan sekarang ya sudah menjadi team lead dan design manager. Luar biasa sekali. Selanjutnya kita akan ngobrol banyak nih tentang Geogrid and Tracks, lalu project-projectnya beliau nih Sobat Multibangun. Okay, Joe. First questions.
Here it comes.
So, I think you are relatively young, yeah, to be a team lead and design manager role. Could you share us about your career journey from your graduation to the present?
Yeah, that go back to many years.
Many years.
Okay, I started my career as a consultant, a design engineer.
Design
So
engineer.
you know, when I first graduated from university, you know, my goal is every civil engineer has a dream to build a buildings. You know, when you look at the frame, the structures,
Yes,
you know,
that's
like,
our big dream.
Yeah. So in my mind is okay, I want to be a structural engineer.
Oh, okay.
That's my goal. Yeah.
In the first time.
Yes. And that's where my directions, you know, when I look for jobs, I want to be structural engineer.
Yes.
So then, you know, yeah, I got some offers and things like that. You know, there's one company actually offer me I mean, it's a mutual thing. I want to get to that company, and coincidentally, fortunately, also I got the offer from that company.
Nice.
But their offer is a geotechnical engineer.
Oh.
So
that's
I
the
received
story,
a call.
yeah.
I received a call from the HR. So my first question is,
Interesting.
can I change to structural engineer? So her answer is, oh, they are the same. I thought they are the same. Geotechnical and structural engineer, they are the same. So I was like, oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, since they are the same now.
Civil engineer.
Yeah. I have no idea. I mean, I don't really pay attention on geotechnical
Okay.
engineers. Yeah. So then that's how it ends. How it goes. I end up to be a geotechnical engineer. So, but I'm quite lucky in the way that my task is not only focused in geotechnical engineers.
Okay.
So I got more exposure to other things as well. So like infrastructure projects. Yeah. I got some experience on designing, alignment, highway alignment.
Road
alignment. Roads, alignment.
Vertical, horizontal alignment. Oh,
yeah.
A lot of experience. Yeah.
Some earthwork experience, infrastructure experience, road and R&D. Yeah. A little bit of structure.
A little bit.
Yeah, small structure like, the substation.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but majority of them are still focused on geotechnical engineering.
But you're still excited, right?
Yeah, actually, when I continue that, I find it's very interesting, and I have no regret. Yeah.
Very good.
Because geotechnical engineering is something it's difficult to foresee, or it's difficult to predict.
Exactly.
It's not like 1 + 1 = 2.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not that straightforward.
Yes.
Maybe because you don't know what's happening in the soil, underground.
Yes.
You got the SI.
Yes.
Sometimes it's just not very accurate.
That's why we need a safety factor.
You have to make judgment. You have to learn through the experience.
Yes.
And I find it's fun and
finally
interesting. Yeah.
So I guess in your university, your research is about the structure.
Yes, correct. Yeah. My final year project is related to structure. In fact, to be exact, is the FRP. Yeah, it's strengthening. Is for a solution to strengthen a structure element. Yeah. So
interesting.
My job is nothing to do with that.
Yes.
Yeah. So and then I worked as a consultant for I think about 6-7 years. Yeah. Then I got the opportunity from Tensar. And that's how I end up in Tensar.
Oh, so this your the second office, yeah?
Yeah, it's actually my second company.
Yeah.
So I first joined Tensar as a design engineer.
Yeah.
So but when I look at the job scope, it's not really design engineer. There are many other things,
Yeah? About what?
Yeah, you have to support distributors
yes.
and a lot of marketing activities and educational presentations. It's actually totally out of my comfort zone. Yeah, so because I don't do presentations in the past. I hate presentation.
It's challenging, right?
Yeah. I just feel not very comfortable talking in front of a lot of people. You know why I get to why I choose engineering?
Why?
So I did a research, engineering is where you don't need to do a lot of presentations.
And then finally you
Yeah,
have a
so
lot
my
of-
target is IT or civil engineering. Yeah, you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot of presentation. Then that time I was young. That's quite.
It's quite funny, Joe. in the
Yeah.
end, in the end.
So
So-
I end up in Tensar. I have to do a lot of them.
Yes.
So, but I find it, it's a challenge.
Mhm.
And when you go through that challenge, it's actually, you learn from there. Is you tend to grow from all this experience. So, I think from this experience, one thing I learned is don't put yourself into a limit. Sometimes I know, I might, it's very challenging task. Maybe then you will think, how you think a lot. You plan for that. So, but now I changed my mind. You just put yourself into that position, and you'll find a way to go there. So when I first started, when I want to start my first presentation, I have no idea what I'm going to talk about. So I just send random emails to consultants and some clients. I just send a lot of emails. Okay, I'm going to I have this topic. I don't know about the content. You're not familiar yet. Then we can conduct a lunch sharing for 1 hour lunch sharing. Are you interested? So coincidentally, that time is COVID time.
Oh.
So a lot of people, they are looking for online session. Yes. So that's the opportunity, and then I managed to set up some presentation session, and I prepare for that. That's how I started.
And finally, you very love for presentation.
I wouldn't say I love it, but I can do better than my first one.
I believe.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm also quite fortunate that I have because I started as a technical background, so it's much easier for me to conduct presentations because I know I can learn and I know what's the theory behind. So that gives me a bit of confidence, So in the beginning, I really scared people ask questions.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Yeah. So when I finish the presentation, please no question, please. but now it's different. I actually want people to ask questions.
Wow.
Yeah, because when you ask questions,
means
the
that
engagement.
Yes.
I understand. I know your problems. I also know what you understand and what you need to more info. So then I will help. I help you. I help the individuals. When you ask questions. To provide more additional information to help you to understand more. So, I encourage people, if you can, ask more questions. Don't be shy. There's no such thing as stupid questions.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's how I started.
It's quite interesting. Interesting.
Yeah.
So yes. So when you in your first company, is it also related with the geosynthetic?
A bit of, I would say. Yeah.
So you already have experience there. So you already have idea when you join the Tensar.
To be honest, no.
Okay.
To be honest, no.
And then
So when I was a geotechnical engineer, I designed some embankments on soft soil. Then I got the opportunity to use some design with some
treatment.
geotech style.
Okay.
And sometimes when I design some foundations, I do use some Geogrids.
Mm-hmm.
But that time, I cannot even differentiate Geotextile and Geogrid.
The same experience with me. To be
Right.
honest.
Yeah.
So when I joined Multibangun, now it's very clear.
Yes. I cannot differentiate, because it sounds the same, like,
Yes.
yeah, Geotextile,
And we
Geogrids,
thought that the
geosynthetics.
key is the tensile strength.
Yes.
Mm.
So I think this is the problem with I think this is something very specialized, and unless you really study that and you go into details, most people maybe the surface, a bit of that.
Yes.
Yeah, you won't get too much detail. So that's my experience. Yeah. So when I joined Tensar, then only I really understand, the difference between geotextile, geogrids, geomembranes, and so on.
Yes.
And where you use them, what application you use
Each
them.
behavior of the material. Oh,
Yeah,
it's very
yeah,
good. Yeah.
yeah.
Very interesting. So, when you joined Tensar, was there a specific mission or vision that aligned with your professional's values?
Interestingly, no as well.
Joy is very honest, with the answer.
Yeah. Okay. I share a bit of my thought. When I was offered a position from Tensar, because we are consultants. Consultants. I have a bit of ego.
You have a bit of ego.
I always want to be a good consultant, good engineers.
Yes.
Yeah. I like technical stuff and things like that. So when you get into the geosynthetic business, your scope become from here to here, because you only focus on one thing. And before that, everything. I design almost everything. Ground improvement, retaining walls, deep excavations, and
very
foundation.
wide.
Yeah, suddenly you have to focus on just one thing, and it's just Tensar. Our core solutions are using geogrids, so it's even smaller than geosynthetic. It's not even just a small thing of geosynthetics, just focus on geogrid solutions. So that time I keep, I have a lot of thoughts. Yeah, is this the right move? Yeah. So, but eventually, I just decided that, okay, why not I give a try? It's an opportunity. If I don't like this, then I just get back to I can always get back to the consulting business to become a engineers. So I give myself 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, and until today, I'm still around.
Me still.
So okay. There's also one factor. I was interviewed by three
Interviewer.
Yeah, interviewers from Tensar. What really changed me is, really make myself to decide this is actually
you can go
Pak
on.
Mike Dobby. He's one of the interviewers.
Ah,
So I
Mike.
asked him a question because I know he has been in this industry for so long.
very long time.
So I asked him, do you feel bored with your job because you only do one thing for the past 35 years? That time was 30 years.
I really want to know the answer because I have the same question.
For the past 30 years, he has been doing for just one thing. He's the image of Tensar. When you look at him, you think about Tensar. So, yeah. Then he said, "No, I find it I have a lot of fun with my jobs, you know. So he didn't elaborate that much, you know. He just said this, and I decided to trust him. You know,
Okay.
maybe later you can
Yeah,
invite him for a podcast.
for the deep conversation, deep talk,
yeah. Why he enjoyed that, you know? But I decided I trust him. But I do really find a lot of fun in this job, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
Joe, I really relate, Joe, because my background as geotechnical as well. So before I also work in consultant. So actually we have a same problem.
Yeah. Same experience.
Same experience.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. So I really want to hear your more detailed explanation
Yeah.
about your experience. So right now you already you already enjoy everything. You already can find that this is exactly the right place, that the right company, and you can have a very good career, Joe. I believe,
Yes. That's what I found. Yeah, find it. Yeah. Yeah, Tensar gave us a lot of opportunities. So it's also a good company that will encourage everybody to grow. So that's you got the opportunity to grow, you know, and you got you got a lot of supports from the management. So I think that gave me a lot of confidence in making decision, you know, in how to help the business. Yeah. So I think that's fine. That's what I found interesting. I think the other thing is now because I'm grow to a role that not just focus into technical.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm in charge of the commercial as well, the business development, and also we do a lot of marketing. Yeah, so I'm not just focusing on just technical. Yeah, I got the opportunity to learn how to develop the business, you know, how to market, how to educate the market. So that's why I find it interesting, you know, because it's a lot of things to do. So not just one thing, you know. You want to go, you can go to the site, you know. Sometimes you sit in an office, you support, you talk to the design team.
Yes. It's like a very colorful job.
Yeah. I think one advice I can give is also don't restrict yourself into just your job scope, you know. Look into anything you find it that you think is interesting, you think you can put your values there, and I think that will help a lot in your career growth.
Wow, it's very good quote for me personally and for Sobat Multibangun. Thank you, Joe. So yes, maybe we want to know more about your project experience. Which can you share like the most memorable project that you already finished or already done?
Yeah. There's one recent one. I did share with the last the very short podcast session. So it's actually a data center project. So we started with the consultants. So he need to build a huge box cover. Yeah, that is like 3 to 4 meter huge and very heavy box cover for data center. And he got a very challenging soil condition. So they look for us. So we prepare a proposal for that. We design a foundations enough to support that box cover. So this is all based on the the design was based on the data given by the consultants, you know, the SI, borehole loadings and things like that. Yeah. So then, the consultants, they submitted this proposal to the client. So, and the client is actually a very big company, has a lot of experience. And they have a value engineering team. So this proposal went to their value engineering team, and their comment is, why do we need to stabilize the foundation? You know, all the whiles we build this box cover, you know, we just use, you know, some aggregates with a crusher run, like maybe 300 to 400 mm. That's enough to support the box cover, you know. So they value engineer our solution. This is not common, you know, because normally we value engineer the conventional solution. Now we are value engineered by a conventional solution.
And then?
So then we are like, okay, yeah, that's fine, you know, it's okay. But the consultants, so he go ahead and he proposed some plate bearing tests. So not the small plate. He got this consultant, he has some like experience with that. So he proposed a big plate, a 1 meter plate
to test.
For the bearing capacity testing. I think that's the best, you know, when you have the large plate. That's what we normally prefer.
Yes.
So then he did in a few locations, and the result came out. The conventional solutions it doesn't work. A few sections, you know, you got a not very good result.
Not very good.
Then at the end of the day, they have to come back again, you know. Come back to our initial proposal. So we built another. So they built sections with the stabilized sections with our proposal.
To make a comparison.
Just next to it. So then they do the same
exactly.
plate bearing test. And that just passed. We are at the limit, you know. I think we are quite lucky on that also.
Yes.
The failure criteria is 20 mm for 2 times working load. So we are about 19, something like that.
Yes.
And
like almost,
So then the result actually speaks everything. So
it speaks everything. If compare with without, so it will be a big difference.
Compared to the conventional, I think 2 times working load is like 60-70 mm centimeter. So we don't really push or what, but we just let the result speak by itself.
Yes. Exactly.
I think this is one of a very unique experience. I really like this project because of this result. And we also get some results from the plate bearing test where we can do some R&D and back calculations. You know, this improve the way we design things.
Yes.
So I actually have a thought of writing a paper for this case. Because I got a lot of data and I haven't started anything yet. It's always on my mind, you know. It's just hard when I want to start this. But this is really so far
I can say like that. It's very memorable.
Memorable project experience. It's not a big project.
Yes.
So it's kind of small, but the process is.
I think the client will always remember the things.
Yes. So, because they see it themselves, it's on the side.
Because before they think that they have a top.
Correct.
And then finally, it can be proved by the test. Very good. Yes. So, Pak Joe, we often hear about the Interact Geogrid. That one, the latest Geogrid from Tensar. So, in simple terms, could you please explain the Interax technology. What is actually Interax to the sobat Multibangun?
Okay. Let me tell a bit of history.
The history.
History of Tensar Geogrid. Yeah. So Tensar, we started as Netlon, and that time there's one gentleman called Dr. Brian Mercer. I think you can Google that, you will find his name. Yeah, he's the one who invented the so-called geogrids. You know, by that time we don't have this term called geogrids. But then after that, it falls into the geosynthetic family. Then we call that geogrids.
Okay.
So that time we started as a biaxial geogrids.
Oh, biaxial.
So biaxial is two directions. You know, square shapes. It can be square. It can be rectangular.
Yes.
And the strength was quite high that time. So I think we used that biaxial geogrid for quite some time, maybe like 20 years. Yeah, more than that actually. We started in late 60s. Yeah, so for many years we have been using biaxial geogrid. So what is unique about the biaxial geogrid is the tensile strength, the junction strength, and we also test the torsion force at the junctions, and we do have design curve, for the biaxial geogrids, what soil condition, what grid you should use. So in 2000, in the early 2000, we did some R&D, and we found out that when we change the shape a bit, it actually works better than the square. So that time we have the triaxial geogrid. Triax is triangular shape lah. Yeah,
we will give the picture.
So this is totally different concept from the biaxial, because triax, the strength becomes very, very low. You see, when your direction is not machine and cross machine direction, because you have a multi-axle direction. So when you send this sample to test, the strength become very low. Yeah, but the performance become better. So from there we understand that this is not about strength of the product. But it's about how well the aggregates interlocks with the geogrids. And when we change the shape a bit, it works better. So then back to 2022, when actually a few years before that, where we started this R&D again. So then we play around with the shape again. We want to improve that. We also look into the material of the geogrids. So you see, Interax geogrids, you have different colors. You have white, black, white. So it has function. It's not just it's a very nice.
Actually, we have the product here.
Oh yeah. Perhaps you can take a sample.
Okay. Yes.
Thanks for that.
Yes.
So it's a beautiful product, right?
Very beautiful. I like the shape. I like the color.
So there's a reason behind this. The white color is a elastoplastic layer. So when you compact the aggregates, it will penetrate into this white layer. So that helps in terms of the interlocking effect, because you have more friction, you have a rougher surface. And then the black color is the core layer. That means you can't penetrate that. So I would say now this so far by far is the best geogrid range we have. The benefit of using this compared to triax is you can even reduce the aggregate thickness. So let's say in triax you need 500 mm. So if you use Interax, you can reduce that to 400, 350. So that depends on design. So it provide more value proposition in terms of cost, time, and also carbon. So yeah, I think that's a quick brief about the Interact Geogrid. Of course, when we launch this, it's not just a product. We also launch it together with design methods.
Okay.
Yeah, because what we found about the conventional design method, for example, the unpaved road design method, I think very common one is Juruhan method, or the JP Juru is that's even old, the old methods, conventional methods. So most of these methods are derived based on reinforced geosynthetic. That means it's based on tension membrane. When we say tension membrane is you see, when let's say you have something very high strength, okay, and it's, for example, geotextile, right? Geotextiles are normally high strength, so you need to mobilize that strength with some tension, because if you don't tension them, you don't get the resistance, you know, right? But in roads, your load is like this. You are perpendicular to your geosynthetics. So how do you tension it? You know, you have to deform. You have to deform it to tension. Yeah, but that defeated the purpose, because you know, with the deformations, it's something that we want to control, the rutting and deformations. Yeah, so that's called tension membrane. Yeah. So a lot of design methods are derived based on the tension membrane mechanism. Yeah, so that's why because we work based on stabilizations. Okay, we interlock the aggregates and we improve the materials here. We want to fully utilize our potential. Okay, that's why we had to work on a new design method. When we launch the Interact Geogrids, we do also a lot of R&D on the design methods, so that it actually fits well in actual.
So updated the
in actual site condition, we want to get as accurate as possible. Yeah. So this is a continuous process, you know. I mean, for example, last time for Triax, after we launched Triax, for the next 20 years, we keep improving our design method. Yeah, I think we will do the same for Interact. We keep collecting data. Just now that data center project is a very good data for us. Yeah,
exactly.
Where we can improve further our design method. Yeah. So when we launch this, it's a whole package. You know, not just the product itself, but also the design method. So it becomes a solution. Yeah, a solution for the engineers. Yeah.
Very nice. So I just wondering, have you experienced that? For example, the clients still when you advise this one is I think better use the Interact, for example, then they prefer to use like a biaxial or Triax. Have you ever experienced like that? And how to educate them?
Oh, we do. A
lot, right?
Yeah. Biaxial is more straightforward, because we have to admit that in the past we were wrong about tensile strength. Tensar has been promoting tensile strength for so many years, and we found out that it's not correct.
Because right now in Indonesia, still a lot of biaxial
geogrids. Yeah. So we have to. Normally we will educate our client that you know, we have to admit ourselves first. You know, we went through this process and it's not correct. So then we educate them. You know, we prove them with some evidence. Yeah, that is eventually is based on how well it interlocks, not the tensile strength. So moving from Triax to Interact, it's the value proposition. You see, when you can save more materials with Interact, you know, then why not you? So this is a better product compared to Triax.
Okay, can we say that it will be how to say, for the cost side, it will be reduced?
Yes. So for example, Triax, maybe you need 2 layers of geogrids.
Okay.
You know, like 500. So geogrids normally the effective depth is about 3 to 400. So if your thickness is more than that, you need 2 layers. So in the past, maybe you need 2 layers of triax. Now you just need 1 layer of interax, you know, and you can reduce that thickness. So that's the benefit of interax. If you compare interax and triax, we do also have a same family of interax. We call it H-shax. It's the same shape, but just with
The
the
black
black
one.
the black core layer.
Uh-huh.
That is specifically as a replacement for triax. Because that works slightly better than triax. But there's no different in terms of cost.
Oh, okay.
So it depends. Sometimes we do recommend using H-shax. Sometimes we do recommend using the interax.
Yeah, it will be depend on the condition, right?
We had to find the best solution for the client.
I like that.
We want to save money. I mean, we help the client to save costs. So we will see, one layer of interax has more cost saving, or 2 layers of H-shax. So we have to judge on different conditions. Sometimes we have to look at the performance as well.
Okay, very very nice, Joe. So we will have another session, you as a design manager. So teamwork is very crucial. So how do you coordinate with between the Tensar engineering team, like a local constructor and a client, to have a successful coordination?
I think communication is a key.
Communication?
Yeah, we used to be quite messy when we deal with a project, because sometimes so I got my colleague in charge of the Malaysia market, for example. But sometimes I got my contacts, my personal contacts. They have a problem. They have a project issue. Then I go straight to the to the designer. I bypass my colleagues. That create a lot of confusion. So we think internally we have to communicate a lot. I need to share all my information to everybody. So I make sure that everybody know they are on par.
Yes.
In externally wise, we work very closely with the distributors. Because sometimes,
like Multibangun.
Yes, of course. Sometimes I do get inquiry from my side, then I will communicate together with with our distributors. So from there we will work together to prepare solutions for the client. We don't really just prepare a solution from ourselves without letting the distributor knows. Because at the end of the day we are a team
together.
If you're success, I'm also success. So my philosophy is I want to help all my distributors to success. Because that's why we have to work together. We communicate, we share info, project info, and so on. And then we help the client together.
It's very nice. Okay. So this will be our last questions. Last questions. You already share a lot about your career journey, the Geogrid Interax product, about the Tensar itself, and then about your role as a team lead and design manager. And then I really interested that can you share us advice or a suggestion to the young engineers, for Sobat Multibangun, or what kind of things that you really want to express to them?
Good question. I can give a bit of advice based on my experience, but I think could be different from other people. As I said, don't limit yourself.
It's a good quote.
So when you work, let's say if you're a design engineer, when somebody from, for example, marketing side, need your help, So we don't limit ourselves to say, oh, that's
It's
not my
not-
job.
It's not
My job is just to do design.
It's not my
So
scope.
yeah, that's not my scope. And then, in the company we want to help each other as well.
Yes.
So if there's another department need help, I will not hesitate, within my ability to help them, because that for me is an opportunity to learn from marketing side. So vice versa, if I need your help, as a marketing, you can learn the engineering things from the designers, right?
Yes.
So that's my thing. That's why when I was a consultant, I worked really hard. We almost 12 hours a day.
I can relate.
Yeah. You have to chase tender and things.
Yes.
I'm so greedy. I want to learn everything, I want to learn infrastructure,
Yes.
this and that.
Yes.
Of course, a lot is into geotechnical engineering. Yeah. So that's the first point I would say. Don't limit yourself, just explore everything.
Explore.
Eventually you will find your where's your strengths and where's your potential. I think second is also I've shared already, you have to keep challenge yourself even though you are not comfortable.
Yes.
I see Waldi did his first presentation.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed with that.
Yes.
That's what a young engineer should do.
Yes.
It's so impressive. I mean, is his second or third years experience? 3rd years, right?
3 years.
And he's already presenting a paper in a conference. That's
big conference.
Very, very impressive.
Yes.
And I think he's the right example. Right?
Yes.
Every young engineer should challenge yourself. If you're not comfortable with presentation, just set up a one session. Eventually you have to do that. Right? If you think you want to pursue study, you want to get into master, you want to get into a PhD, just do not hesitate. You don't worry about, well, can I do that? When you're in that position, you have to do that eventually. So challenge yourself. Don't put down your ego. You have to challenge yourself, and be humble. Then you will learn a lot through that experience.
Very nice. Joe, actually I still have remaining question. It will be my last question. It's
Okay,
really
no
the last.
worries. You can ask 5 more questions.
So yes, looking at the infrastructure right now, like a lot of smart cities, port expansion, and then roads that you mentioned, mining, a lot of technology. Can I know what is your big dream, like in a 5 or 10 years, or maybe you can say that also what is the Tensar future plan in line? Maybe in line.
Good question. And tough question.
In the same time.
I'm in charge of the East Asia market. I think this market has a very long history of using geosynthetics. So I think my vision for the East Asia market is I want to educate people the right way of using geosynthetics material. So actually not just limits to the tensor geogrids. Tensor geogrids we are is very suitable in certain applications. But at the same time, the whole Geosyntax family, Geotextile, Geomembranes, and Geonet or whatever. And my strength is I'm very familiar with the tensile applications, like building a retaining reinforced soil structures.
Reinforced soil.
It can be wall or slopes. There are many small details that sometimes is, it can be very small, but it can be very impactful.
Yes.
For example, slopes. We do have a lot of slope failures projects. And majorities of them are because of drainage.
Yes.
And I find that there are room of improvement, like how to build a proper drainage.
Yes.
And I want to spread this knowledge across. So when everybody they learn about this, they know about this, that will help the whole geosynthetic business, the tensor business, some other geosynthetic business as well. And we have to do it in the right way, not just without any explanation. I mean, not using geosynthetic without any design or without any explanation, evidence. We do it in the right way. We do it in a engineered way. So that's my vision in the next 5 years.
Wow.
To spread as much
Very
as
good.
very ambitious.
I cannot say that, but it's very useful and very impactful. I want to add some. So when we said about the interacts, so I just wondering, Joe, which country that already have a lot of interacts Geogrid project in your in
my region?
In your region.
In East Asia, we do use a lot in Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, Brunei, Indonesia. I think we did. Indonesia we did.
We hope that will be a lot of
We launched this product I think 2 years. That time since our first launch. So it has been quite successful. Of course, different countries has different challenge.
Yes.
Not all countries need this because like for example,
soil condition.
It depends on soil conditions and depends on the infrastructures, funding in infrastructures and so on. But I would say we are quite successful with this the launch of the Interacts range.
Yes, maybe for the last things. So, how do you think about the relationship between Multibangun and Tensar? Actually, it's already asked in the Q&A. So, but I really want to have a more talk regarding to this. So, how about the do you have any hope that what can Multibangun can have a more, how to say, sales or everything?
Multibangun is a really good partner of Tensar. You have the Tensar value with. I can see Tensar value in Multibangun. You guys are so impressive. You educate the market the right way to do Geogrid's design, Geogrid solutions. Do in the right way, and then you have. You have so many loyal clients with you because of because of your capabilities and the service that you can provide to the market. So I'm really impressed with you all. That also align with my vision. Right? I need help. I can't do it myself. That's why we have so many. Our distributors are so impressive. They are all so capable in educate them. I think education is very important.
It's very important, right?
Because a lot of people, why they're not, you ask a question, what challenge I always got. So one very typical challenge is I call it indifference.
Indifference.
Yeah.
Okay.
Indifference is, when I come over and I want to introduce a solution to a client, and when you look at his face, it's like it's just a plastic, whether it works or not. You say whatever you want, but whether it works or not, sometimes even I show you, we have the research, the evidence, we have the case studies.
Yes.
I still get this
Still get.
reaction,
Yes.
I don't blame them because it's something new. It's something very new to them, new to the client. They are not familiar with geosynthetics. Especially people are not, especially if you are not a geotechnical engineer.
Yes.
Yeah. If you are structural engineers, you have sometimes zero experience on geosynthetics. So it's normal. Yeah.
Normal.
Yeah.
You can accept that.
Yes. So I don't blame this indifference. But my way of doing is we educate them. If you're not comfortable, I show you the result, the research that we have.
The research.
Yeah, I show you the local case studies. Yeah, I can bring you to the site if you want, right? Or why not? We can work together.
Some trial maybe.
Yeah. You set up a trial.
Yes.
Then we can work on a pilot project, for
Yes.
example.
Yes.
So these are all, we try to help them to help understand. And there's also one challenge is, sometimes people are very comfortable with conventional solutions because they know it works, like remove and replace. It works,
Yes.
Yeah, some deep ground improvement, it works.
Yes. Soil mixing, it works.
Yeah. So when we introduce this, it's a solution to, you can save costs compared to the conventional solutions and things like that. They are not so keen to accept it. Because they're so comfortable with the conventional solutions. My argument is, it actually depends on whether do you want to accept innovations. Because we are going to keep innovate. We won't just stop at Interact. Maybe 10 years later or 30 years later, you have another Geogrid. Who knows? Right? So we have to keep innovate. We don't stop at the biaxial Geogrids. So at the end of the day is, do you want to accept the innovations or you want to stick with the old technologies? Because we are moving towards moving to the future. You have so many new things, AI, smart cities and things like that. Nowadays I was in China. Nobody is driving the taxi. They call robot taxi, right? So there's so much innovations, if you want to move forward, we have to accept the innovations, So then these are innovations, right? If you're not comfortable with, you because you're not comfortable because you do not have experience. So why not,
see and prove.
We can prove to you, with whatever question you can ask, whatever request, and I think trial or research is the most convincing thing to show the results. So I forgot your question. I talked too much.
I think it's already answered all of the list. All of my list questions.
I was like,
I really enjoy this conversation. To be honest, Joe, because it's really relates to me as well. I think it's also related with the Sobat Multibangun, and then I do agree that we need to educate. We need to educate that maybe they still not believe because they just never knew.
Because you are these are something new to them. Yeah,
Yes.
without the experience.
Yes,
Yeah, that's come the
exactly.
indifference. You see.
Indifference.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Yeah, that's why I think all of the maybe Multibangun team also
Mhm.
can have an insight, yeah, because you already share about that indifference. So
Mm,
I think they have a lot experience about that.
I'm sure you do. Yeah.
So
Because
yeah.
you guys are the one who meet client. I think
Yes.
you should
Yes.
most of the time you have this
Most
experience.
of
Yeah,
times, and then
yeah,
they are very have a very hard works, and then I
yeah.
really appreciate to the all Multibangun teams. Thank you very much, Joe. I think because already a lot of questions that
Mhm.
before I already have a list, and I always adding the questions.
No worries,
So
no
sorry
worries.
because so happy to having you here actually. Yeah, such an honor because as we know that Joe, one of the, how to say, we can say that because you are a team lead and design manager, so it's such an honor. Thank you,
Yeah,
Joe.
yeah. So do not hesitate to ask for help.
Yes.
From our side.
Thank you. Maybe for another podcast, we can also inviting Joe.
Oh, okay. I enjoy this session. Very good experience for me.
So happy.
Not normally. I when I do webinar,
Uh-huh.
you're just talking to the screen.
Yes, right.
For 1 hour, then you're like,
Uh-huh.
these people really listening to me.
Like
Now
like
I'm talking
what?
to you. Okay, somebody to talk with.
Yes. Okay, so
Yeah.
happy. Thank you, Joe.
Thank you.
Yes, I will have some closing to the Sobat Multibangun. Okay, I need to speak in bahasa. Okay. Terima kasih Sobat Multibangun, kita udah ngobrol luar biasa nih sama Pak Jo, Insinyur Jo, yang udah jauh-jauh datang nih ke setup studionya Multitalk. Luar biasa, happy sekali. Terima kasih Sobat Multibangun yang sudah mendengarkan dari awal sampai akhir. Semoga yang disampaikan itu sangat bermanfaat ya Sobat Multibangun. Kita seperti biasa akan menyiapkan subtitlenya atau bisa di sisi ya di YouTube ya. Jadi Sobat Multibangun jangan khawatir kalau misalnya untuk mendengarkan ada terjemahannya. Mungkin jangan lupa Sobat Multibangun untuk supaya tidak ketinggalan berita dari kita atau update dari kita, bisa join ke WhatsApp community di Multibangun Engineering Hub, atau juga bisa mengikuti seluruh sosial medianya kita. Lengkap nih Sobat Multibangun, ada LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, juga ada YouTube. Jangan lupa di like, subscribe. Kalau misalnya Sobat Multibangun ada keinginan nih untuk bahas apa lagi, boleh di komen di bawah. Pengen bahas apa, kita akan menjadi pertimbangan dan kita bisa menjadi lanjutnya kita mau panggil siapa atau kita mau mengundang siapa. Terima kasih banyak. Mungkin ini adalah Multitalk yang pertama di 2026. Vibes-nya masih di tahun baru. Semoga di tahun 2026 kita akan semakin jaya gitu ya. Joe, so we have a tagline for Multitalk actually. So when I said Multitalk, and then we together like engineering minds, podcast vibes. Vibes, yeah.
Okay, engineering mind.
Okay, we can see to that camera.
Hopefully not cut.
Hopefully will be the first shoot, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I think you're already okay for this thing, so okay.
Hang on.
Multitalk, engineering minds, podcast vibes. Okay.
Engineering mind.
So funny. sorry Joe. Ini Sobat Multibangun ini loh, design manager loh yang kita kirim. Okay. Are you ready, Joe?
Yes.
For the tagline. Okay. Multitalk, engineering minds, podcast vibes. Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih banyak-banyak Ibu Bapak. Happy New Year everybody.
Happy New Year.